Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your unusual option activity report for February 16, 2012. We saw 5 trades come across today that we flagged as unusual option activity. I did not put on any of these trades. I've been paring back a lot of my positions. About 4 days ago, I had positions in 45 to 50 stocks. I think I counted today, and I have 31 positions in different stocks. So I've been really as we see the market climb higher gradually, a lot of the paper is gone. A lot of big money has been on the sidelines for a while, and there hasn't been that many great trades in the last week and a half. I try to take trades that have the highest probability and the best chance of winning. That's how I become profitable. But if there's no good trades, I have no problem sitting on my hands and knees and hanging out on Twitter. So let's look at these today. MTG, customer bought 38,000 of the March 4.5 calls when stock was trading 449. Stock rallied higher. These calls were profitable. This has been sitting here in a range. We see all these very similar trading in a range on the high of the range. So I didn't take that one on. Asia, April 10 puts. Customer sold 1,850 of these for $1.05. Look at the chart of this one. No, this isn't a daily chart. This is actually a day chart. So over the course of the last 8, 12, that's about 20 trading days, the stock's been in a dollar range. That is not a stock I want to buy gamma in, especially on a 75 vol. FTR, we talked about this the other day. Customer bought the February 4 calls. I think they paid about 30 cents for these. I tried to buy the May 4s for 40 cents. That would have been a profitable trade. It was right on the close. I couldn't get on this ticket. They took profits today and sold these calls out for 60 and 65 cents going into earnings today after the bell. Stock sold off after the bell. CIE, March 30 calls when the stock was trading 33.65. Customer bought these for 5.40. 3.2 times usual volume. I don't want to play this. Look at this, same thing. This thing gapped up in an oil exploration drilling, and it's just been hanging out for the last 5 days. Last trade was LOGM. We talked about this other day. They had earnings. Customers buying puts, and a lot of puts. We don't know if they bought stock against their puts. We don't know if they sold some of their puts out. However, customer came today and puked these things out. They sold 3,700 of the Feb 40 puts, which expire tomorrow, for 50 cents. This is 16 times usual volume. They could have scalped stock against it. Stock did sell off down to about this 37.5. They could have made their puts calls. You never know their stock position or what else they're hedging it against. But they bought these for about $2.80 and puked them out at 50 cents. This is why I talk about it. I don't want to trade every trade. I want to trade the highest probable trades, and I don't want to jump on some of these trades. And these are reasons some of these trades aren't that good. This is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. Please check out the web for the trade of the day. Today's was Baidu, and that's going to be a very profitable trade for me tomorrow, hopefully. Stock sits in this range. Unusual option activity and the S&P 500 futures. We are trying to make this report as accurate and as good as possible. We have volatility increases and decreases. Richest and cheapest at the money vol versus 30-day historical. The largest orders versus open interest. All on the unusual option activity. This is going to be a premium service coming soon. This is Andrew Keene. Have a great night.